Sound source and link model are parts of Enscape object. When we click on sound source, we can select sound can be music, and we place on our scene. Its characteristics are the same as with Enscape Lite. After we place, it looks like this. In the default condition, sound is disabled. We go into the Enscape window setting. In Preferences, we enable sound. Volume relates to sound intensity. %. Full volume related to how far can it be heard. Zero volume relative to its boundary. And if we look at SketchUp, we will see a color highlight. Interior color is full volume. In space only, it will sound 100%. Zero volume is the color on the outside. This one color means it sets. How far can our sound be heard? Out of the color space. Its boundary is that we cannot hear anymore. Link model we call external model. Refers to a proxy. And the link model proxy is like this. Bounding box. We can see in the rendering. A Cosmos or Enscape asset is also a proxy, but it shows the shape of the object. So the two are the same, just this link model. We can use it in case our object is heavy. We use the link model, it will make the SketchUp run smoothly.